Hi everybody and welcome to my current productive summer morning routine. So recently I've been getting up around 6:30, 6:45, sometimes also 7 or 7:30. It really depends how long I stay up, but I just love getting up early because I just feel so ahead and I feel like I can take some time for myself. So the first thing I do after I wake up is I put on a reprogramming audio and I listen to that whilst making my breakfast. So here I'm just having some homemade granola with some coconut yogurt and some fruit, and then I sit down and watch like a YouTube video or motivational live stream whilst I have my breakfast. And what I also love doing is I love pulling a few oracle cards, usually two, to just, set a mood for the day. And it just makes me feel like really spiritually connected. And in terms of like habits, I don't really put a lot of pressure on myself anymore to do like a certain habit. But this morning I was really feeling some yoga. I actually haven't done yoga in like a week when I did that again, but I was just really feeling it. So I did a quick 10-minute morning yoga flow and it made me feel very grounded and just ready for the day. And then I go ahead and get ready for the day. Some days I will shower. This morning I didn't because I showered the night before, and I just put on some makeup because it makes me feel more put together even when I'm working from home and I'm just ready to go out. I'm ready to create content, so I just love to put on some makeup and do my hair, and then I go over into the living room and I start setting up my workspace. This is also the first time that I will check my notifications. I always have my phone on Do Not Disturb during the night, so when I first get up in the morning, I'm not flooded by work notifications and people, wanting things from me. And then the first thing I do on my work day is I check my Things 3 app, which I use to organize my to-dos, which I've usually set the day before. And then I try to start working around 8, and that's also usually when Ross will also get up. Hello. I was just thinking, when are you getting up? Just thinking of you. Once you get to meet her, she's a Mona Lisa. And then for sure, one of my favorite parts of the morning is when Ross makes us some fresh, yummy coffee. And because he has a coffee startup, he has all the like professional barista equipment, and it's just like so much fun, and it's just our little ritual, and I love it so much. It really keeps me just grounded, and just like a nice cup of coffee with some oat milk just makes me so happy. So that's one of my favorite parts of the morning, and I would just really encourage you as well to find your rituals and do things in the morning that really, make you happy and set you up for a good day. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly. So next on the agenda for that day was a team meeting on Zoom for one of my remote jobs, because every Monday morning at 9 we have a team meeting. Hello! Go to sleep at night. So what I actually do on my work days always varies depending on, how many hours I work for what job, how much I have to do for my membership, for my videos, for clients. It really always varies. But my morning routine definitely always, gives me just like a space and some time to ground myself and to put myself first and to be there for myself first thing in the day. So that kind of concludes my productive summer morning routine. I'm gonna start working now. It's now 9:15. I am really excited for all the things I have to do today. And yeah, that's kind of how my morning looks like. Obviously not all mornings look like this. Like sometimes I sleep in, sometimes I get into a bad mood first thing in the day. Like it's not that consistent all the time, but I think kind of a morning how it was today, it's kind of like my ideal morning routine and something I would, like to keep up. But definitely let me know in the comments down below what your morning routine currently looks like. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Also let me know if you'd be interested in seeing an updated night routine. If you enjoyed this morning routine, then you're gonna love this Weekend Alive Abroad vlog, because it really gives you more of an insight into my daily life and just what happens in my day after my morning routine. So if you're interested in that, make sure you check out that video and I will see you there.